Give me a. Have I done Grouchy Lenny yet? I don't think so. Grouchy Lenny. Small cat, we keep what we got. Big cat, we change what we got. What the hell was that? Let's try it again. Big cat, change. And a reset. Can't tell. 8. Wild card. Incoming bucket of miscellaneous crap. Let's see. Got this master, which should work. Oh, let's try that one. So, been trying to pick it off camera unsuccessfully. I don't even know if this thing is even working still. It's pretty old, I believe. Still says made in Milwaukee on it, so I'm guessing it's old. And also never seen this on a shackle before. It says case hard. Not something I'm familiar with. If you know anything, you know what that means exactly, just let me know. But I'm guessing it's a outdated term for hardening of the shackle. You know, before boron and all that kind of shit. But I could be wrong. Like I said, I don't know with 100% that this lock even functions and opens. So when I can't get it open, that's exactly what I'm gonna say, is that we don't know that it can be opened. Call it a draw, maybe? Yep, doesn't look like it's gonna open for me. I suppose that's why I came on the Hasp, because, well, nobody can open it. Nobody. Now I must what? Cut that part out. Now I must call again upon my cuffs to save the day. I wonder if I can pick it with the same pick that I couldn't pick the other lock with. I should be able to. Oh yeah. Boom. Outro. This is the mother... Well, let's keep this PG. This is the mother humping outro. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you all have a very nice day.